This training program will take about 15 minutes. After watching this videotape, you will be involved in a group activity to test your proficiency of the information covered. So please get your paper and pencil ready to take notes while you watch this program. The majority of floors in facilities are hard floors, such as resilient flooring and stone surfaces, or carpeting, often referred to as soft floors. Carpeting is most frequently an industrial grade, closed loop and short nap weave. Comes in a variety of colors and is usually rubber backed and glued down to the floor surface. All flooring requires the right maintenance procedures to maintain a bright and attractive environment and to protect the flooring itself against premature wear. This training focuses on carpet care because proper maintenance enhances the life and appearance of carpet. Carpet cleaning should be approached with caution since improper usage of chemicals and/or equipment will cause extensive damage to the carpet fiber or their backings. You will be using a variety of products while performing your responsibilities. These products have been specially formulated to enhance your productivity and efficiency while maintaining your facility. Always remember that material safety data sheets, also known as MSDSs, are available for all products you will use during your cleaning procedure. Check with your supervisor as to where they are located. Remember, the key words for carpet care are proceed cautiously. Do not experiment. See your supervisor if you have any questions. To save time and steps, assemble all necessary equipment and materials before starting a job. You will need a vacuum cleaner, putty knife, broom, gum remover, spray bottle with carpet spotter, clean cloth, and wet floor signs. Just as you sweep and dust mop a hard floor, you need to sweep and vacuum thoroughly a carpeted surface. This removes soil and dirt from the surface of the carpeting that will help lengthen the life of the carpeting. If not removed, dirt will cut the fibers of the carpet and break down into a traffic lane pattern on the carpet. Vacuuming needs to be done at least once daily, in heavily trafficked areas twice daily, and a spot check should be done for gum and other soiled areas. If gum is found, there are several methods you can use to remove it. You will need to first remove as much excess gum as possible while it is still soft with the putty knife or bone scraper. You can use an aerosol gum remover that freezes the gum to make it brittle. There are also carpet spotters made especially to remove gum. These are liquid ready-to-use cleaners that are misted onto the surface to break the gum away from the carpet. Regardless of the method used, gently chip or scrape the gum off the carpet, then vacuum the area thoroughly. It is important that you work slowly with the putty knife or carpet bone, so you do not damage the carpet fibers. When it is done properly, routine carpet spotting will save you time, complaints from school personnel, and unscheduled deeper carpet cleaning. If you don't spot clean your carpets, stains and spots may damage the carpet or leave permanent stains. Spots fall into two categories, water-soluble and solvent-soluble. Examples of water-soluble spots are mud, beverages, ketchup, fruit, mustard, ice cream, jelly, and milk. Solvent-soluble spots include oil, tar, crayon, lipstick, paint, butter, cosmetics, grease, and shoe polish. If you cannot identify the spot, please discuss it with your supervisor. Remember, trying to improperly treat a spot can cause it to become a permanent stain. It is best to use a broad spectrum spotter, one that removes 85% of common water and solvent-based stains. A spotter needs to clean without leaving a sticky residue and work equally as well on carpet and upholstery. Remember, always test the carpet spotter on a new surface in an inconspicuous area prior to removing a spot. This will ensure color fastness. Place wet floor signs around the work area. Using the carpet spotter undiluted, spray the spot thoroughly using the stream setting on the trigger sprayer. This will force the spotter into the affected area directly. Then, let it sit for 1 minute. Working towards the center of the stain, use the carpet bone or putty knife in a pulling motion to loosen the spot. Use the clean cloth to blot excess carpet spotter from the carpet. Repeat this procedure until the spot is thoroughly removed. If the spot does not come out, talk with your supervisor to determine an alternate method. Using clean, cool water, mist the area you cleaned with carpet spotter and blot excess with a clean part of the cloth. You may also use a carpet extractor to remove excess from the carpet. Let the carpet dry completely before traffic begins. Then, remove wet floor signs. After removing gum, gross soils, and removing spots from the carpet when necessary, continue by vacuuming daily. Follow proper procedures when maintaining your vacuum cleaner equipment and store it properly. This includes wiping down the vacuum and checking to make sure the belt is ready to use for the following day. So there you have it, the daily activities for maintaining your building's carpet. Sweep and vacuum, remove gum and spots, and maintain your equipment properly. Remember, this means emptying the vacuum bag and checking the belt. To complete this training on carpet care, we need to outline the carpet care restoration procedures used when deeper cleaning, interim, and restorative cleaning needs to be done. 3 methods are most popular and effective in their own ways: bonnet buffing, shampooing, and extraction. For interim cleaning, bonnet buffing is recommended. This method is like deep scrubbing and recoating a hard floor surface. It removes embedded dirt and soils and brings back the appearance of the carpet area. Restorative methods include shampooing to restore the appearance of the carpet and extraction cleaning, which deep cleans and restores the carpet area. To perform these procedures, you will be using a variety of products. The bonnet buffing product is a multi-purpose carpet restorer. It can be used at varying dilutions for wet-dry bonnet application as well as a pre-treatment. It has a balanced formula which contains detergents, solvents, and soil suspension agents, which helps it clean and emulsify extremely well. The carpet shampoo is a high foam cleaner for use with rotary scrubbers and dry foam machines. This low residue product helps remove spots and deodorizes. Its neutral pH prevents browning. Extraction cleaners need to be low foaming yet remove all dirt, grease, old rug shampoo residue, and other tough soils. This product does all these things and doesn't leave a residue. The bonnet interim cleaning method begins by assembling all equipment and materials to do the job properly. This includes 2 mop buckets with wringers, carpet bonnet, low-speed machine, drive block, carpet shampoo, carpet spotter, utility brush, gum remover, carpet tabs, carpet bone, and wet floor signs. After gathering the appropriate supplies, clear the work area of furniture, trash cans, etc. Following daily carpet care procedures, remove gum and other gross soils from the carpet. Vacuum thoroughly. Place wet floor signs in appropriate areas. Then pre-treat all traffic lanes and spots. Using a utility brush and carpet shampoo mixed according to label directions, hand clean corners and other inaccessible areas to the floor machine. Attach the drive block to the floor machine and submerge the pad into a mop bucket with the bonnet cleaning solution. Thoroughly wring the pad out in the wringer. Place the pad on the carpet and center the machine over the pad. Make sure your machine handle is adjusted to the proper height. Beginning at the far end of the work area, move toward the exit using a side-to-side motion. Using a second bucket filled with clean water, rinse the pad after cleaning a section. Wring it out well. Then, dip the pad in the bonnet cleaner solution, wring it out, and begin a new section. If necessary, re-pad the work area in a direction opposite of the first pass. Continue until you have covered the entire area. Use a damp towel to wipe baseboards or furniture of any splashes. Another method to bonnet clean is to pre-spray the carpet and then the pad with the bonnet cleaning solution. Then, using the machine, clean the area as described previously. Return all pieces of furniture to their original locations. Use carpet tabs under all furniture legs. Thoroughly clean and store all equipment properly. This includes emptying and rinsing mop buckets, thoroughly rinsing wringers, wiping clean the floor machine, and rinsing the drive block and hanging it up to dry. Another method to restore the appearance of carpeting is shampooing. When shampooing, it is important to have the HVAC system kept on. This speeds the drying process since it removes moisture and humidity from the air. You need to clear the work area as necessary and gather the appropriate equipment and materials, including shampoo brush, low-speed machine, carpet shampoo, carpet spotter, utility brush, gum remover, carpet tabs, 3 wiping towels, wet floor signs, and a carpet fan. As with any carpet cleaning method, thorough vacuuming and spot removal must occur. Pre-treating spots can be done as well. Attach the shampoo brush to the machine. Mix the carpet shampoo in the tank according to the label directions for the equipment you are using. And as before, use your utility brush to hand clean corners and hard-to-reach areas for the floor machine. Plug the machine into an outlet. Beginning at the far end of the work area, move toward the exit using a side-to-side motion. If necessary, re-shampoo the work area in a direction opposite of the first pass. Wipe all splashes on baseboards and furniture. Use carpet fans as you continue along the carpet. Depending on the weather and building environment, carpeting dry time can vary immensely. Check with your supervisor for dry time estimations based on the building that you are cleaning. Replace furniture on carpet tabs to prevent any rust formation. When the carpet is dry, vacuum it thoroughly and remove the carpet tabs. Every third time you shampoo a carpet, you should use a restorative method called extraction to clean the carpet. This gets rid of any shampoo or soil buildup that may occur. Extraction units come in all sizes and they spray solution into the carpet, then suck it right out. This is all done in a single process by a single spray head and vacuum. Before extracting any carpeted areas, the procedures to prepare the work area are the same as outlined previously. Using the method of extraction, the solution is mixed according to labeled directions, then put in the tank. Often a defoamer is added to keep the old shampoo residue from building up in the recovery tank. When the tank becomes full, the unit shuts down and the tank must be emptied. Often the foaming can cause the unit to shut down as well, thus the need for a defoaming agent in the recovery tank. Pre-spotting and pre-treatment is necessary when extracting. Extraction is done in one step, flushing the carpet with a cleaning agent and vacuuming up the soil and water mixture from the carpet in less than 5 seconds. Again, dry time may vary depending on the weather and inside conditions. It is critical after completing the work area that the equipment be thoroughly cleaned. There are small valves and orifices in extraction equipment that can easily become clogged if not cleaned properly. The interim and restorative maintenance methods for carpeting are bonnet buffing, shampooing, and extraction. Practicing the daily carpet care methods of vacuuming and spot removal are essential in protecting the condition and life of the carpeting as well. Remember, cleanliness is very important to those students and faculty using the building, and it's your responsibility to provide a clean and pleasant surrounding. They depend on you to keep their floors looking the best they can.